Hello there. The weather has been glorious recently, but not all of us thought it would ever happen. And that's why Marcelle and her friends decided to plan an escape, and they're headed off to Spain for a few days. There's one trouble with that though. We've got an area of high pressure over Britain and Ireland, and the wet weather has to go somewhere. It can either go up over the top of the area of high pressure or sneak around the bottom. And that's why for Spain and Portugal, the weather is looking a little bit dodgy over the next few days. Now, Marcelle, don't worry, it won't be a complete washout. There'll just be a few showers to dodge. I'm not sure exactly what time you're landing on Thursday, but if it is in the morning, there could be 1 or 2 showers then. But the showers should eventually begin to ease up as we head through the afternoon. So the afternoon should be largely dry with a top temperature of a pleasant 23 degrees. Then on Friday, it's a similar picture really. A few showers are expected during the morning. A couple of them could turn out to be rather lively, and then they should ease away again for the afternoon. Saturday's a bit different though. Saturday is looking generally unsettled, so there could be a shower at any point. But after that, the weather should dry up. So it looks like Sunday and Monday should be fine, and there should be some good sunshine to enjoy as well. So your holiday won't be a complete washout, and if you do see a shower, well, it'll come and go pretty quickly, and that's what bars are for, after all. This is Benidorm.